To draw a fancy lacy heart, we want to start, of course, by drawing a heart. So we'll come around like that, down and join at the bottom. And then we need to draw little curves all the way around. And this can possibly get a little bit boring, but you just have to keep going. I think that's one of the good things about drawing, is it teaches you to just keep going and not give up. And I think that's the best way to do it. Just keep going. So that's the frilly edge, but we need to make it a bit lacy, and this could possibly get a bit boring too, because you need to do about 3 or 4 little dots inside each one of these curves. And the more you rush it, probably the worse it looks. So you really need to take your time a little bit. But if you're making a card, a Valentine card for someone you love, then you won't mind just taking your time, because you'll be going, oh, I'm in love. And so you won't really mind taking your time. And there we go. And we're nearly at the top. And it's amazing how these little dots just kind of make all that difference, isn't it? And they give it that kind of frilliness, a bit of pattern and decoration to the whole thing. And then you might like to put a little bit of sort of shininess in there like that. And there you go, how to draw a lacy heart. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come and draw lots more with me. And you can also join me on Patreon and get colouring sheets and lots more. Bye.